Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Oh yes, it's Corner Bookmark time again. Today we finally have some burger bookmarks. Super cute, super fun, and really easy to make. Now remember, we have little Ted hiding in the video somewhere. Leave me a comment down below and let me know where you've spotted him. And yeah, let's see if you can find him. Now, as you know, we love paper crafts. Paper is so fun and so versatile. I have a brand new paper crafts book for you to check out. Do take a look down below and in the comments. And yeah, hopefully you'd like to get a copy. But in the meantime, have a look for Ted and let's see how this burger bookmark is made. So to make our burger bun, you'll need some white paper or actually any scrap paper because you won't be able to see your final bookmark once it's been decorated. But if you're using colouring pens, for example, you might want to use white. And then you need some burger coloured scraps of paper. So the first thing, as per usual, is to make your corner bookmark. Let's do that. You need a square piece of paper. I'm going to turn this rectangle into a square by folding this up and then cutting across. Now the first one I made of these, I literally used some scrap paper. It had printing all over it, and you know, it's fine. So you don't have to use new paper for this, and I think recycling old stuff is a really good idea. So this is roughly 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, so 15 by 15, but whatever you have is good. Fold up one corner, fold up the other corner. See, it's not even very neat because I didn't cut my square very well. Open, bring down one, fold over and tuck in, fold over and tuck in. Your basic corner bookmark is finished, and it's not even super neat. Not a problem because we're going to decorate it now. So I want my burger to sit like this in my book, so you just keep note of that. What you now need to do is to start cutting your different shapes. Now you can use a pencil to help you if that's easier, or you can use your bookmark to guide you. So I'm just going to cut a chunk off my brown. This is going to be my bun. And I just want the right width because I want it to be, you know, roughly the same size as my bookmark. It doesn't have to be, it really is a question of preference, but this is what I'd like to do. And I'm going to cut the bottom bit as a bun. So this is going to be the bottom of the bun. Here we go. And then this is going to be the top bit of the bun. Now I want quite a nice, reasonably big bun. I'm probably going to trim it later, but this is where the kawaii face will go. So if I would have it a little bit bigger, it kind of really looks like a burger's head. Maybe shape it a little bit more. All right, I think that will do as a burger bun. We'll see, we might have to trim it a bit. This is the thing about these crafts, you kind of make it up as you go along. And now you want to have some bits to go inside your burger. So I'm going to need 2 burger buns. So 2 burgers slabs, or what are they called? I don't know, are they called buns or are they called patties? Patties, that's the word I'm looking for. So I want 2 patties. I want them roughly the same size as the burger. That's going to be about there. Let's just check. Yep. And I also want to kind of round off the corners. There we go. Now it's time for some tomato. Again, let's just trim that. Cut out a little slice of tomato and then make sure it fits your burger. top. I think that looks quite good actually. I'm quite happy with that. Maybe bring it all together a little bit and it should fit on our bookmark. Yeah, let's glue it all together. Can you see me winging it? Don't really know what I'm doing, but hey. Right, now you can choose if you would like your bookmark to peep over the edges of the book or not. I'm going to keep it within the book edges, so I'm going to trim a lot off. So I'm going to trim this bit, but they can overlap, it's not a problem. And then I'm just going to carefully cut straight down. There we go. And if you want, you can trim those bits off, but I'm going to leave them. Right, so some little eyes. And then I'm going to make some cheeks with my hole punch. And then you just add some seeds. And there you have your kawaii burger bookmark finished. So I made another one before. Looks a bit different, but this is the thing. Each bookmark will have its own personality and look super, super cute. Now remember, I've got a brand new paper projects book out. It does have corner bookmarks in it, but they're the basic ones, encouraging you to have a go and design your own. Let's see if we can find them. Here we go. So we've got some of my basic animals and of course how to do the basic folds, but there's so much more in this book and I really hope you like it, so do check it out. I'll put the links up above and down below and you can take a look and see how it goes. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.